On Friday afternoon, I was walking down the street when a man took out a pair of scissors from his bag, snipped the end off the bottom of his trousers and threw it into the library.
Well, that was a turn-up for the books, wasn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Let's do this shit!
Right, this voice is coming out of a 20-year-old boy.
What do you reckon to this guy then?
My New Year's resolution was to post more reviews on Amazon.
He described me as a tubby Mozart.
Maybe, yeah. Good episodes, but it smelled of farts.
John, how's the rash?
More rejections than Dean Gaffney's online dating profile.
This is the original wild card.
You know, it's more cooling if you keep it in the fridge.
Seems appropriate and in no way dangerous ground.
I find Lennon particularly odd and scary.
He doesn't make me laugh, but he gets bums on seats.
You're laughing too long on that.
Don't clap my erection, that's weird.
I am not a hard man.
He shifts units.
I moisturise.
Let's finish this bitch off with a song.
That's a sexy bit, come on.
See you on the flip-flop, innit?